Hello, in this video tutorial you are going to learn how to join a client to a domain in Active Directory environment on Windows Server 2012 by Sachin Sami, and you are watching this on YouTube channel Peter Rice. This is our Windows Server 2012 domain controller which we have configured in our previous tutorial. Now let us log on to our domain controller with administrative rights. Let me type down my very secret password. Okay. As usual, the server manager opens automatically. Let me close the server manager first. So on the domain controller, let us first check the domain name of the domain controller. Let me open the folder, right click on the computer and go to properties. Here you will find the computer name, that is server1, and the fully qualified domain name, that is server1.itzoz.com, and the domain name is itzoz.com. This is the domain name which we are going to use when we join a client system to a Active Directory domain. Let me close the system properties. Okay. Also close this one. Also, let us check the IP address of the server. Right click on the LAN adapter icon and click on Open Network and Sharing Center. After that, click on Ethernet. This brings up the Ethernet status window. Click on Details. Here you can see the IP address of the server, which is 192.168.1.100, and the subnet mask, that is 255.255.255.0. As this is a locally configured domain controller, we do not require gateway and the DNS settings for this LAN. Now let's close this and also close this. Now I am going to switch to the client machine to join it with the domain. So just hold on for a second. Okay. Now this is a John, which is a local administrator for this machine. Let me type down the very secret password. Hit enter. Now click on desktop. From the desktop, open the folder and click on computer. Right click and then click on properties. This brings up the system properties. Here you can see the computer name is demo-pc and it is a member of a work group. Before we join a domain, let's see few more things. Minimize the system properties. Okay. And let's open run by pressing Windows R. Type cmd, hit enter. On the command prompt, we are going to ping the domain name which we are going to join. So let's type the ping command, that is ping space and the domain name, that is itzoz.com. Okay, hit enter. Right now, as you can see, I'm not able to ping the domain name. It says ping request could not find the host itzoz.com. Now we have to check the TCP/IP configuration of this system. Click on Ethernet, Properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now, as you can see, the IP address is C class, that is 192.168.1.110, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and the preferred DNS IP address is 192.168.1.1. So basically, when we are pinging our domain name, it was checking the itzoz.com DNS records on this server, which is not available on this server, and that's why we are unable to ping our domain. So let's change the DNS server IP. In the preferred DNS, I am going to enter IP address of our domain controller, that is 192.168.1.100. Now let's click on OK. Close, close. Once again, let us try to ping our domain name, that is itzoz.com. And as you can see, now we are successfully able to ping itzoz.com, which goes to 192.168.1.100, which is the IP address of our domain controller. Now we are going to join this client machine with the domain. Let's close the network sharing center. On the system window, click on change settings. On the system properties, click on change. Select the domain radio button. Enter the domain name. In our case, it is itzoz.com. Now click on OK. This will open up a Windows security box. Computer name / domain changes. Enter the name and password of an account with the permission to join the domain. For this tutorial, I am going to use the administrative username and the password of the domain controller. So let us type administrator and the password. Password is really very secret. I'm never going to tell you. Now click on OK. A window will pop up saying welcome to the itzoz.com domain. Click OK. This opens up another window. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. Let's click on OK once again. Now click on close. Once you have clicked on close, it will ask to restart your system or restart it later. For our case, we are going to click on restart now. OK. Let's wait for a few seconds. So the system has rebooted. Now let us see what we are getting at the logon screen. Here you can see demo PC/John, which is a local administrator for this machine. Let us click on the left arrow sign. Here it is showing two types of user accounts. The first one is the local user, which is demo PC/John, and the second one is other user. So now let's click on other user. This is where we are going to enter our domain username and the password. This completes our tutorial of how to join a client machine to a domain. In our next tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a domain user account, and then we are going to log in to this machine. Hello friends, thank you for watching our this video tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to receive an email update whenever we post a new video. Share it with your technical IT friends. If you are facing any technical problem or have any suggestions, post your comment here or catch me on Google+, Hangout, Facebook, Twitter and Skype. This video tutorial is presented by Sachin Sami. For more information, you can also visit our website, that is itzoz.com. For more videos, go to our YouTube channel, PTechRise.